Module 6, Lesson 1, 2, Field Practical Operations. This module is going to equip us with all we need to know on our role as a data quality manager during the field practical session of the training. Field practical represents a basic component of the census process where functionaries combine theoretical and hands-on simulation taught in class. The objective is to provide an opportunity for functionaries to apply the principles and techniques theoretically learned. Field practical promotes learning by doing. Goals of field practical. Field practical operations is a robust, encompassing end-to-end system test that involves the whole census process, meaning in the field practicals we'll be testing end-to-end every component involved in the census process, and it's going to be centered around testing the following goals: workflow, data flow, and operational flow. As a data quality manager, you are going to be saddled with the following responsibilities for the practical fieldwork. EA selection. A DQM is expected to select EAs around the training venue, which will be used for field practical. These EAs are to be made operational, that is, it should be subdivided. The outcome of the division depends on the number of functionaries per training center. As a DQM, you need to extract EAs that will be used for field practical. As the name implies, it's not the actual field work, but a practical. Therefore, the EAs will be subdivided into groups, and each group will contain a number of buildings that can be completed within the stipulated time of the field practical work. And the outcome of the division varies per center because we will not have the same number of participants present in various centers. Device provisioning. Ensure all PDAs are provisioned via the mobile device management with the required resources, that is census application, spatial data, and Google Map. As a DQM, you are to install on every PDA that will be used for the practical the 3 applications approved for the census exercise to be present in each PDA. Profiling. You profile all functionaries appropriately according to the roles they will be performing in the field practical. Monitoring. A DQM monitor field progress on the dashboards, the spatial dashboard and the enumeration dashboard. Data validation. On completion of the listing exercise, a DQM is to validate all EAs that were visited during the practical. Clearance. The DQM are responsible for the final clearance of functionaries after the admission of persons. Ensure that all EAs have been fully enumerated and successfully synchronized to the server. At the end of the field practical, the deliverables expected from the DQMs are as follows: listing and household verification reports that will be obtained from the spatial server, listing and household verification report from the dashboard, spatial dashboard, the validation itself report, baseline data report on statistical dashboard. Field practical is important as it serves as a preparatory activity for functionaries to practice and familiarize with their roles and duties before the actual exercise. It also helps to identify gaps in the census workflow for early mitigation. Practice questions. Mention 2 activities expected to carry out for the field functionaries. List the deliverables of a DQM for the field practical.